Hello class 10. In this video, I will be telling you the format of the question paper that you will be having for both the papers, paper 1 and paper 2. Along with that, I will revise with you the meanings of the Blease book. For paper 1, you will have 50 marks paper, Radiant Reader first, RTC, that is reference to the context. From prose, you will be given 2 questions. Out of that, you have to attempt one. I'm talking about reference to the context. Poem, again, you will be given 2 questions. Out of that, you have to do only one, reference to the context. A character sketch, 2 questions will be given. Out of that, you have to do one of 5 marks. One of a reference to the context, 5 marks. Poem 1, reference to the context, 5 marks. Character sketch, 2 will be given. You have to do 1, 5 marks. Long questions will be given jointly from prose and poem. 2 questions will be given. You have to do 1, 5 marks. Short questions will be given. 6 short questions will be given. Out of that, you have to do 5 short questions. So total, it adds up to 25 marks from Radiant Reader. Now I come to Blease. Blease poem, you will have question answers. You have to do 2 questions, each of 3 marks. 3 into 2, 6. You will have true and false from poem. 2 into 2, 4. So for justification, you will be given 1 marks. For writing true or false, you will be given 1 marks. So 1 plus 1, 2 for one, another 1 plus 1, 2 for another. So total 4 for true and false. Prose again, 2 questions you have to attempt. 3 marks each. 3 into 2, 6. Complete the sentences. 1 into 4, 4. 4 will be given and you have to complete the sentence. Meanings will be from Blease. So altogether 25 from Blease. 25 from Blease, 25 from Radiant Reader adds up to 50 marks. That is your format for English paper 1. Now I come to the format of English paper 2. And the format is comprehension, you will have 15 marks. Grammar, you will have article and preposition, 3 marks. Proper verb forms, 3 marks. Replace phrasal verbs, 3 marks. Do as directed, 3 marks. Forms of words, 3 marks. Writing, you will have a compulsory report writing. It can be both event report, it can be newspaper report, both can be. Letter or dialogue, either means both will be given, letter also, dialogue also, you can do any one, but report is compulsory, 10 marks. So total 20 marks writing, all total 50 marks paper for paper 2. Now children, please take out your Blease books. Page number 16, that is Passing Away of Bapu. The meanings are clamored, that means demanded loudly. Jostle, forced one's way by pushing. Whimpers, makes low crying noises. From unit 2, the meanings are staff, walking stick. Clarity, ability to clearly think about or understand something. Commonplace, ordinary. From unit 3, you have decked, which means decorated. Indifference, which means lack of interest. Next, go to page number 48. Page number 48, you have the sea fever, and the meanings are steer, to control the direction of movement. Spume, foam. Wheated, sharpened. Yarn, tale. Fellow rover, accompanying seller. Trick, journey. Next, you please open to page number 53. The cat, unit 1, character means personality. Acrobat, one who entertains through difficult physical movements. Grim, serious. Unit 2, number 1, stoops, which means bends. Rakes means scratches. Gingerly means carefully without making any noise. Unit 3. Snotters, walks in slow, relaxed manner. Lithe, graceful. Kindred, near ones. Reproach, plain. So that was for cat. Now children, please take out snail. To page number 64, you have two meanings here. Eminent, which means likely to happen soon. Chattels, which means personal belongings. So students, these are the meanings that you will have for your examinations. One thing I must tell you, how you can do the meanings well, that is, you will read all the meanings. Okay, whenever you will get time, read all the meanings. After learning the meanings, write down the words written in the left hand side for the meanings, okay, in a separate copy. Close your book, keep it in a separate place, and start writing the meanings. Then take the book, correct the meanings. For meanings, you know, if there is any spelling mistake, then your marks will be deducted. Because meanings, you have 1 mark for one word or 1, 3, 4 words. So there should not be any spelling mistake. So even if there is a spelling mistake, cut half a marks. If you are unable to remember a thing, then also you will cut a marks, and you will understand that definitely there is something wrong with your learning. You will revise it once again. Am I clear? So this is how you can do the meanings. Make sure once when you learn the meaning, write immediately after learning it. After that, halt for a second, maybe next day again, write the similar meanings down. See how far you are able to remember it. I hope you are following all the classes, the videos of the classes that are going on in the YouTube channel. It is a request to all the children of class 10 to be sincere in your studies. Please write down the question answers from the PDF that you are getting. Not only will you copy, but please sincerely and carefully do the homeworks that the teachers are giving you in their in your proper copies. Maintain the copies. Please write the question answers in a presentable way. Do not just leave it because teachers will be seeing it. Put up nice presentation, because presentation is very important for your madhyamics. So make sure you see the videos properly. Comment on all the videos that you see. If you have any problem, then comment. That specific teacher will definitely reply you back. It is again an honest request that all the children for whom the videos are made by the teachers, you all will see the video full. Do not see it half. Do not lose interest. See the video full, because questions that will be coming, the question paper that you will be getting, maybe or definitely the questions you will get from the videos the teachers are making, those are very, very important. So from there only you will get the question answers. So make sure that you listen to it very properly. Am I clear? So attentively listen to it. Do your homework sincerely. I hope you are doing your best. Thank you.